Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to the part 10 of top-down shooter. So let's get started. So today we're gonna add many things. Like first of all, we will add the +1. Like it will be just showing +1 and just fading away when we just kill an enemy. So let's get started. So first of all, make a new sprite, call it +1 or anything you like. Set X and Y to 0. Then name the costume 1, delete the sound, and here we have that. So you can just make a text called +1 and you can just snap it to the center. It can be any design you like. I'll just set it like this. And now go to scripts. When the green flag clicked, hide. Then I receive start, hide, the same. And now we'll work with clones. So first of all, when I start as a clone, so it will be spawned on the position of the enemy. So we'll just we already have these variables called enemy x and enemy y. So we'll just put here, first of all, go to x0 y0, go to x enemy x and y enemy y, then go to front layer and show, and also switch to costume 1 if you have multiple ones, then repeat 10 and then just change ghost effect by 10. So it will just disappear like that in a fading way, like it will just fade away, and then it will just also change y by 5. So it will just go up to, and then it will just delete. Here you can see this will work now. So now let's see if it works, and go here in the enemy script and just create loan of coin, duplicate that, put here and just put here like +1 and put the script back. And now let's see if it works. So when I play the game, you can see when I kill this enemy, like you can see there was a +1 here. You can see this is now working. If you want to make it longer, you can just increase this value to 10 or anything you like. I will just set it to 5. And also if you want to make it longer lasting, so you can just increase and decrease this value, like make it 20, make it 5, and also change this accordingly. I will just set it to 10 and this to 10. So this is the perfect thing for me. So now we'll make an end screen. So first of all, make a new sprite called end screen. So if you want, the game is over, so it will just show game over. So first of all, make this, name this costume and delete the sound, and now make a box, like big black box, and you can just write your game over, game over. You can either go to Google and just get some images, that would look better. But if you wanna make it only scratch game, you can just use this, like type your game over, and you can also make it red to feel it, make it more impactful, and you can also add shadows. So I made it. So here you can see, and just name the costume 1. So now let's see scripts. So when the green flag clicked, hide. When I receive start, hide. So now it should spawn, it should be created when the game is over. So the game will be over when the player health is 0. You can go to backdrops and just find here. Here you can see if player health is less than 1, then just stop all. So instead of stop all, we can just put here like broadcast game end. So it will just broadcast the game end and also remove this stop all. Instead, just put here stop this script. So this shouldn't just repeatedly just broadcast game end. So now you can go to end screen and just duplicate this. When I receive game end, you can just put here, go to front layer and show, then wait for a second and then just stop all. So it should just stop the game then. So this will work, but we also need to stop the game, like pause the game or just finish the game. So you need to just make a script for every sprite. First of all, go to player. So it should be like when I receive game end, just stop other scripts in sprite, and also you can just make another one for the clones. So if you have clones, you already be having this delete all clones thing. So you can just make it like go to now menu and just duplicate this when I receive game end, and also you can duplicate this. So now we'll just drag it in every sprite like this. Like player doesn't have any clone, bullet has clones, so we can just put here and also here. Don't put it in menu already has it, and just remove it from the menu. And also go to player and also put the script in every sprite. Just don't put it in the end screen and just clean it up. So now you can just go and clean all the things up. You can also remove it from the start menu. So now this should work. So let's see. When I play, here you can see. Let's just decrease our health to 0. So let's make it visible like player health variable. Now let's see. The health is going down like this. So you can see it shows game over. And if you just make it hidden, here you can see the game has already stopped. So that is looking great. Like this is working fine. So the problem is that like here you can see when I play, nothing is appearing. So we need to just duplicate this, set delete all clones to 0 and just put it in every sprite. So let's just put it here. When the green flag clicks, set delete all clones to 0 and hide. So it will just work. We have just put it in every sprite. So now let's see. So here you can see the shop button is appearing. Everything is now fine. Enemies are coming up. And let's see the shop. Here you can see the shop is working perfectly fine. So this was all for this tutorial. I don't have any ideas left for this. So you can just comment down below and just put some ideas so I can just make it for you. And also we can do much better like this than this. Like this script is a bit old, as this was the first series I started on my channel. So you can just put many things here. Like you can just make your costumes for the backdrops better like this. These are just plain things. And you can also put like make the player better. So I will just make a video I think on this, on making some better assets for top down shooter. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this video.